Did you know that to have a clothing brand, you don't need to know how to draw, sew, or have a fashion degree? Maybe you've already seen some of my videos on the internet doing real-time simulations of how much it costs to manufacture a piece of clothing. I am Marcela Novaes, and I teach self-manufacturing, outsourcing for retailers, and future entrepreneurs in the fashion industry. And I just recorded a complete module revealing the entire secret on how to create, manufacture, and sell exclusive clothing collections with your own label. If you have the desire to launch your own brand, you can't miss it. It's available. Go check it out.